Welcome to today's session on compliance essential for Indian payroll management. Whether you are an HR professional, a business owner, or someone responsible for managing payroll, understanding compliance is crucial in Indian dynamic regulatory landscape. Let us dive right in. The first essential aspect of compliance in Indian payroll management is adhering to statutory requirements. Ensure that your organization complies with the Minimum Wages Act, Payment of Wages Act, and other labor laws. Additionally, registering and contributing to EPF, ESIC, and professional tax are mandatory for employers. Next, accurate record keeping is paramount. Maintain comprehensive record of employees' details, attendance, leaves, salary payments, and statutory deductions. These records serve as evidence of compliance during your audits. Avoid common mistakes such as misclassification of employees, underreporting of income, and late filing of returns. Non-compliance can lead to big penalties and legal consequences. Stay updated of regulatory changes. Indian labor laws are subject to frequent amendment. Subscribe to newsletters, attend seminars, or consult legal expert to ensure your payroll practice which you are doing right now align with the latest regulation. Invest in payroll software. Automated payroll software system helps to streamline the process. It reduces errors and enhance compliance by calculating statutory deduction accurately. Communicating payroll policies clearly to employees. Provide them with detailed payslip, explain deductions, and address any queries. Transparent communication fosters trust and reduces disputes. In conclusion, compliance is the cornerstone of effective payroll management in India. By understanding and adhering to statutory requirements, maintain accurate records, staying updated with the regulatory changes, leveraging technology, and fostering transparent communication, you can ensure smooth and compliant payroll operation. Thank you for watching.